Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect funding pips to MT5 in a few simple steps. So let's dive in. Now, first off, go ahead and open your MT5 or MetaTrader 5 app on your device. Then from here, you want to click on the hamburger icon at the upper left corner of the screen. From here, you want to choose Manage Accounts. Then you want to click on the plus icon at the top. Then from here, all you have to do is search for funding pips. So let's type it in here. There we go. Now, as you can see, you are seeing a couple of funding pip servers. Just simply choose the one that matches your account. So let's say, for example, this one. From here, you want to select your server type. You want to select demo if you're practicing or live if you're trading with real funds. Then just simply enter your login credentials, your funding pips account username and password. You can also choose to save your password for easier access later. After filling in your details, just click log in at the bottom and then tap sign in. Now this will connect your funding pips account to MetaTrader 5, giving you full access to trade. That's it. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.